friends. Welcome to Unite Coaching. In this tutorial, we are going to learn the process of estimating concrete and the quantity of cement, sand and aggregate for the same in Microsoft Excel. As you can see here, I have already made the steps in Excel and I have calculated the quantity of material. I will explain you it in detail. Let us consider the volume of PCC to be done is 6 cubic meter. And concrete grade is M15, whose proportion is 1:2:4. Where 1 is cement, 2 is sand, 4 is aggregate. The dry volume is generally considered as 45% to 52% of total volume of work. I am taking 52% of the total volume. Therefore, formula in Excel will be is equal to bracket start 1.52 multiplied by cell C2, which is volume of work, and at last close the bracket. Its unit will be cubic meter. Similarly, for calculation of quantity of cement required, the formula is dry volume divided by the sum of proportion. That is, this 9.12 divided by 1 plus 2 plus 4. To calculate it in Excel, put Excel formula as is equal to double bracket cell C5 divided by symbol bracket start cell C3 plus D3 plus E3, which comes to be 1.30 cubic meter. Now, calculate number of bags of cement required. We know that the volume of one bag of 50 kg cement bag is 0.035 cubic meter. Therefore, use formula as is equal to round up double bracket cell C6 divided by 0.035 bracket close, comma 0 bracket close. The round up formula is because the cement bags cannot be taken into points. Therefore, to round up that value to next round figure, we use this round up formula. Now, to calculate the quantity of sand required, the formula is dry volume divided by the sum of proportion into proportion of sand. That is, this 9.12 divided by 1 plus 2 plus 4 into 2. To calculate it in Excel, put Excel formula as is equal to cell C5 divided by bracket start cell C3 plus D3 plus E3 multiplied by cell D3, which comes to be 2.61 cubic meter. We know that 1 cubic meter is equal to 0.354 brass. Therefore, to calculate the quantity of sand in brass, use formula as is equal to bracket start cell C8 into 0.354 bracket close, which is equal to 0.92 brass. Similarly, calculate the quantity of aggregate. The formula is dry volume divided by the sum of proportion into proportion of aggregate. That is, this 9.12 divided by 1 plus 2 plus 4 into 4. To calculate it in Excel, put Excel formula as is equal to cell C5 divided by bracket start cell C3 plus D3 plus E3 multiplied by cell E3, which comes to be 5.21 cubic meter or 1.84 brass. Now, we will calculate the cost of materials. For that, prepare a table like this. Serial number, description, quantity, unit, rate, and total cost. Directly give the formula for quantity. For cement bags, the value will be equal to cell C7. Therefore, put formula as is equal to C7. Similarly, put C8 and C10 for sand and aggregate. Units will also be same. I have taken the rate of one bag of cement as 350 rupees, rate of sand as 1000 rupees per cubic meter, and rate of aggregate as 600 rupees per cubic meter. So, To calculate the total cost, just put formula as quantity multiplied by its rate. For total cost of cement bags, put it as is equal to cell C16 into E60, which comes to be 13,300. Similarly, calculate total cost of sand and aggregate by multiplying its quantity with rate. The last part is to calculate total cost of materials. For that, put a formula as is equal to sum, bracket start, cell F16 to cell F18, which comes to be rupees 19,032.57. Round it next number by clicking here. In this way, you can calculate the quantity and cost of cement, sand, and aggregate required for the concrete work. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel for such videos. If you have any questions regarding this video, please feel free to ask and comment your doubts in the comment section below. Thank you.